Alrighty guys, we have got a package, a very, very important package. Let's open it up. Oh, yes. We did it, guys. We did it. Check that out. Look at that right there. That's my name. That's my name right there. We have got a lot of goodies in this box. This is exactly what I needed for several reasons. We're gonna hop into those reasons. Let's close up this box and hop in the car. Ooh, now that's cutting it close. If I was any lower, those exhaust tips and rear diffuser would have scraped on that curb. Ooh. It's been a super crazy week for me, guys. I have been in the process of getting a new job, so that's pretty exciting. If you guys remember my last upload, I was talking about how I was in the process of doing a job interview to get back into the mortgage industry. That's what I was doing before I lost my job almost a year ago. We'll flash back to me packing up my stuff and throwing it in the M4. So right now I've got my car backed up to a curb. I've got a big heavy box full of work equipment that I am returning back to the job that I recently lost. So we're gonna do that real quick. Alrighty, just dropped off my equipment. That is it. That is a wrap. That box was actually pretty easy to get out of my car, but what a weird feeling. You work with people and a company for so long and then it's just, that's it. Everything goes away, but bigger and better things are on the way. And it's just funny because now we can fast forward to me starting a new chapter with a new company and everything, and having my new care package to work from home again. So I literally just got off of work. As some of you guys know, the last few months I've been working at Discount Tire, which is pretty crazy because it pays okay. You know, it's just your regular pay, and it's been rough. This week I listed the M4 for sale, super low key. Nobody knew about it but myself, until some of you guys found the Facebook Marketplace ad and started commenting on the videos, texting me, DMing me on Instagram, saying, yo, I just found your M4 on Facebook. What's going on? Why is it for sale? So here's what it came down to, guys. I needed a job that was able to support me like the one I had when I first bought the M4. Lately, it's been hard to make ends meet, so working at Discount Tire, as fun as the job it is, it's just not cutting it for me right now, especially since, you know, this time of year my hours are getting cut at that job. So yeah, it came down to literally like, oh my gosh, it's not easy to afford the car right now. So yeah, I got even more hungry to use my previous experience in the mortgage industry to find another job. So we did it. We were able to stand out in front of several different candidates. I was able to get hired, and I am like on cloud 9, guys. I needed this job. Like, it was a big deal for me to get hired for this new company. So the M4, I am taking down that Facebook Marketplace ad because I was depressed. Like, I was so depressed having this thing up for sale because I just didn't know if I was going to be able to keep it with the way things have been lately. By the way, sitting against the M4, it's actually really comfortable. I'm sitting on some grass, but if you want to know where I'm filming this right now, guys, let me turn the camera around. We are at a come and go gas station. I am sitting at the back of the lot. I've had several people like gas up their cars and kind of look at me funny. So yeah, you gotta have that like you really can't care when you make YouTube videos. Like, I'm sitting with my boots on, still in my work clothes, up against the M4 and sitting next to this grass field, and you just gotta deal with the public and what people think of you, but I honestly don't care, so we're gonna continue this video. But yeah, guys, what a roller coaster it has been the last year. I mean, I have gone through so many chapters and hiccups and everything, but hey, we're bouncing back, and I told you guys, like, I was at like 400 subscribers when I lost my job. We're at over 3,000. I told you guys, I just lost my job. I just bought this M4. Follow my journey. Let's see how this goes. And a lot of you guys have stuck with the journey. So this video is an important update to me wanting to make all these crazy videos with the M4. I feel like I never wear hats. So if it's weird seeing me with a hat on right now, yeah, it's weird to me too, but I'm trying out a new look, just wearing my hat forward instead of backwards like I always do. Ever since I started the channel, I wanted to create like unique, crazy content with my dream car. Buying this car at 20 years old, guys. I just wanted to pick up the camera and pursue, you know, all my dreams and aspirations of making videos. So, and that's what we're doing. I actually have a bit of content to play for you guys right now. The other night I went out with, you guys may recognize Leanna. She has that 1,000 horsepower Trackhawk. We went out with a couple of friends and we took the Trackhawk out for some fun. And it's really funny because Leanna is like this blonde girl, like she's kind of small and everything. So it's funny when she gets in the Trackhawk and gaps everybody. She gaps all the boys out when we go out and race. We raced the McLaren, so it was a crazy night. I'll go ahead and play some of the footage. So effortless.
Yeah, right? You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, guys, that was a super crazy night with the Trackhawk. I still can't believe that we had several passengers in the Jeep, and we were able to keep up with that McLaren that had downpipes and a tune on it, so that's crazy. So congrats to Leanna for just having such a crazy Trackhawk. Now, I promise you guys, my YouTube channel is not gonna be flooded with these kinds of videos. When I first started YouTube, I didn't want to make these kinds of videos. Like, I feel like I update you guys so much on my personal life. It's time to get back to the cars. So this weekend, I'm gonna get right back to the car shenanigans. We are going to have some fun with a ton of BMWs. Colorado N5X also, his name's Brian, if you guys didn't know that. Brian and I, we're gonna have a meet, and we're gonna take a bunch of the craziest, fastest BMWs in Colorado, and we're gonna go on a nice little Colorado cruise around some cool spots. So definitely wanna, so it's gonna be a lot of fun to hang out with some other BMWs again, get some fun shenanigans that we all like to get ourselves into. So in a couple of days, guys, I will be uploading a video full of back to what the channel's all about, which is cars, automotive therapy, bringing you guys a little source of therapy with cars for your day. So that's what I wanna get back to. But yeah, we've got the box right here full of my equipment. My new job is gonna be working from home, which is good for us because when I'm at home, it's gonna be a little easier for me to be available to have some editing done. I can focus more. I have a desk that I purchased so I can set all this stuff up where I'm living, and I'm gonna have a desk to just focus on, of course, you know, the job that I just got hired for, but I can also brainstorm, do a little bit of video editing on the side as well, and really just, you know, get focused and continue building the M4, building content, and just getting better every day. That's been my whole, like, my whole life lately has been just trying to get better with my personal life, with what I love to do, which is making videos and driving cars. Just a lot of different things to overall better myself and to help push you guys as well. It's a big deal. I mean, it's unreal how many of you guys watch my videos and will message me on Instagram saying, hey, I've been watching your videos for the last 3 to 6 months. Here's a picture of my new M4. Like, watching some of my, one of my videos was how much I paid for the M4, how I bought it, all of that stuff. A lot of you young hustlers are watching my videos, setting a game plan, finding a way to buy your own M4, and it's really special to see that I'm making that sort of an impact on you guys. So if you guys are buying an M4, M3, whatever car because you're watching my videos, please reach out to Instagram. It is the most fulfilling thing to see you guys being able to get inspired by my videos to go ahead and buy your dream car. So I love seeing that. Car is almost at 40,000 miles, so we have basically almost doubled the mileage since I've bought the car. This car's been crazy. I know I scared a lot of you guys when I listed it for sale, but let's just take a look and appreciate how beautiful the car is, especially at this golden hour. This car is not something that is gonna be easy to ever let go of. Personally, I don't ever wanna let go of this car. So the car is staying, guys, don't worry. I have tons of plans and goals and aspirations with this thing. It's pretty modified right now, but there are still a lot of things that I want to do to the car. And at the end of the day, this has been more than a car. It's been part of my story. It's given me so many new friendships. It's given me so many cool opportunities and experiences. So let's keep it going. I don't want to cut it off short. I found a new job. It's going to help pay the bills again. It's time to get back to what I was doing at first. But with all of that being said, guys, as a lot of people stare at me at this gas station, we are going to wrap up this video. M4 is looking great. We're gonna have a lot of fun shenanigans this weekend. Like I said, don't miss that video, but I truly do appreciate each and every one of you guys that takes the time out of your day to follow my journey, watch the videos on the M4. I cannot wait to keep going, guys. I still feel like we just got started. There is so much for us to accomplish, and there's also a really loud motorcycle. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but if you guys made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching all of it. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.